Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Expedia to access saved trips securely. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Expedia's official website. Once the page loads, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button. You will be directed to the login page. If you already have an Expedia account, enter your registered email address. Next, enter your password in the designated field. After filling in your credentials, click on the Sign In button to access your account. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password securely. If you do not have an account, click on Create an account to start the registration process. Fill out the necessary information, including your email address and desired password. Ensure that you follow any password guidelines provided. Once all required fields are completed, click on Create Account. After successfully signing in, navigate to your account dashboard. Look for the Trips or Saved Trips section. Click on this section to view your saved trips. If prompted, verify your identity through any additional security measures provided. This may include two-factor authentication or answering security questions. After verification, you will have secure access to your saved trips. Review your trip details and make any changes as necessary. To log out, return to the top right corner of the page. Click on your profile icon and select Sign Out. Ensure you are logged out, especially if using a shared device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.